This is a presentation of Crossref's library management system. It's a web-based solution that can be used directly in your smartphone. We start by looking at the different pages we have here in this module. Here we have the main page where you manage your loans and your reservations. Here you have the borrowers. Here you can add remove borrowers and change existing borrowers. If we look at a specific borrower like this, we can see that you can register the name of the borrower and an email address to the borrower, which is used for automatic reminders. And here you have the login name and password so that users can log in and see their loans and reservations. And here we have borrower categories. You can add remove borrower categories here. If we go back to the main page, there are two ways that you can search for items. You can either enter a borrower's name like this, and press search, then you get a list of all the loans and reservations associated with this borrower. Or you can type in an item ID like this and press search. Then you get a list of all the loans and reservations associated with this specific item here. And this specific item has 3 copies, 1, 2, and 3. And this minus sign indicates that none of these copies are on loan. If we press the loan button here now, then a loan will be registered to this borrower, like this. Here we can see a loan is registered to this item, and this is the copy number. This is the title of the item. This is the borrower name. And this is the loan date, the date the loan was executed. This is the due date. And this is how many days that are left to the due date. And this is the number of reloans. You can also edit this loan if you want to maybe increase the loan period like this. Press save and back. Then we have updated this loan. We can also do another thing. If we enter a new borrower here, and then we press this reserve button here, then we register a reservation to this borrower. So now this item here has 1 loan and 1 reservation. And if we cancel this loan here, then the system will inform us that there is a reservation queue and that this borrower is first in the reservation queue. And if we press yes, then a loan will be registered to this borrower here. The old loan and the reservation have been removed and a new loan has been registered. If we look at this button here, this is the button that links to the user details like this. Here we can update. And this button here is a link to your public catalog. So this is what the end users will see when they visit your web catalog. And now, since we are logged in as system administrators, we can edit this document like this. And here we have the number of copies here. And here if we click here, we can see the copies, and we can create a new copy. Let's create a 4th copy like this. We press save. And then we leave edit mode. Now, since we created the fourth copy is visible here, and if we go back to the loan module and we press search, we can see that this 4th copy is visible here. And let's say we want to see this from an end user's perspective. Let's say you're an end user and you wish to see which loans and reservations you have registered. Then we log out as system administrator here. And we click this link here, My Loans. And we log in as a normal user. Here the users can see their own loans and their reservations.